Howdy, folks.
Hello. We have a surprise. Instead of motorcycles, we have a scooter.
Mopeds.
A moped. And it's in a very nice, elegant color. As you can see, it's definitely mine. No, it's not. It's Mrs. D. Mrs. D. We'll call her Miss D. Miss D.
Mrs. is for married ladies.
Ah. Anyway, the moped is not starting. It doesn't do anything when you press the starting button. And we're going to try and figure out what's the problem is. We already tested a battery. It seems to have juice. We tested a direct connection from the plus of the battery towards the starter, and the starter goes round. That's how far we got so far, and we're still gonna have to try out and figure it out. Hello, Mr. B. So we're tearing apart a moped, which we're very successful in, as it is very broken down.
Well, we have two issues with it. We had two issues with this one. One, it wasn't starting, so it wouldn't fire up. The second one, at some point it stopped starting at all, so the starter motor wouldn't turn. So we found the first problem.
Which was?
Loose wire to the starter relay.
It wasn't clicking, so.
So now it's going around. But still not working. So
hey,
we're halfway there.
Halfway.
Halfway.
All right, meet you halfway. So we're gonna go continue wrenching on this moped. It's purple. It's beautiful.
Purple. It's pink, motherfucker.
Pink. It's pink. I'm
colorblind? Are you blinded or colorblind?
I don't know. I had anal.
That's nasty, bro.
Yeah, it's very nasty.
So how was it for you?
Huh? Being the cameraman.
How was it for you?
It was for me. I didn't notice very many things. It's just like a.
Is it thing yet? I don't know.
Yes, it is on. We're back again. That's a nice ass.
Thank you. Try to remove the spark plug. It's like a gynecological operation.
We had lights in here. God, I feel like Rimpo.
That fits.
It's very dark.
Yes. How to access this?
Huh. Is this?
Yeah, it's loose. It's kind of
like throwing a sausage?
yeah, it's fucked up. And we have to do the compression test.
Ooh, that's black.
Yeah, but it's dry.
Okay.
Yeah, it's dry, see? I was starting it and it's dry, so it's not getting any gas.
Gas. Mm-hmm.
So it's either gas or mechanical.
I wasn't. gas or mechanical.
Yeah.
So we were discussing
how to disassemble the carb.
How to disassemble the carb, and I thought to myself, why don't, like, you know, when it's sitting too often, you have to replace your screwdriver and hammer it down sometimes, needle stuck or something, and then we found something out. Why don't you tell us, Bert?
Yeah, it's the intake manifold is torn off.
Oh, yeah.
I don't know if it's completely through. I'll check with a screwdriver, but most likely that's our problem why it's not getting gas. Because there's no vacuum.
So there's gonna be gas or ass.
Oh, might be even tight. It might even be close. I don't know. Maybe it's not completely through.
This could be. It's all dried out.
Yeah, we'll remove it anyway and check.
Alright. So we found another problem. Maybe. You know, remember Hancock? Good job. What are you doing?
Can you press the brake?
Okay. It's not
No,
sucking?
it's not generating any vacuum. We got a brake cleaner?
Yeah, we do. I'm gonna put this away, my arm's
Oh.
getting heavy.
No, we don't have a spark plug in. Yeah. We'll see if it fires on brake cleaner.
A bunch of amateurs.
Amateurs. Fucking amateurs. Bunch of fucking amateurs.
Now the doctor's tired. Forget something. It's late. It's a hard day at work. He's horny. Still is.
Nah.
No? Oh, I'm trying to follow you, but your head's going left, right, up, down.
This fucking ADHD motherfucker. I'm getting tired of myself. Turns out that the inlet rubber is not completely torn, so we put the tape over it. We rebuilt the carb, cleaned it. It was a little bit dirty, but that wasn't the problem. So we turned to valves, and it turns out the inlet valve is not closing. So we're gonna try adjusting valves and see what happens.
0.10 millimeters
As
and
you-
0.15.
As you can see, the exhaust has some free play.
I can't see really.
You can't really see. So there's some free play on the exhaust. It's too little.
I can see your hand, but
You can see my hand. Alrighty. So there's a little bit free play on the exhaust. But you can see it's moving.
the bottom one is moving a lot, and the upper one is
the
not.
upper one just moved.
Yeah.
So now it should be now it's closed, but there's no clearance on the rocker. So it's probably a little bit pushed in. So it's
pushed
not.
in.
It's a
Is
little
it
bit
in
open
yet?
on the inside, so it's not.
So it's in.
It's in. Yeah, I don't know. I think so. So we're gonna try to adjust that.
Yeah. With a feeler gauge.
That's funny.
What's funny?
Completely built ourselves in.
Again.
I think I'm gonna pick up drinking with you motherfuckers.
Which one is for up and it's like that. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, Mr. Earth, up on that. What are you doing?
I can't see. Can't get it moving.
Get the camera on.
Get the camera on? Alright.
So
You're gonna need a special screwdriver for that one. Oh no, it's turning. Alright. Now what is a tenth? 0.01. Of course. The one that you need is MIA. You don't have a 10.
okay,
15. No, I have only 105. I can get it. That's like comedy capers with us.
Dumbass.
Maybe I should start drinking. Oh, it's up. Okay. Is it in? I don't know. Let's try it.
And we got it.
Oh, they kill it. Okay, we got it. Boom! We're not complete idiots. Some parts are missing. Actually, it's working. So adjust clearance for the
Valves.
for the exhaust valve, the exhaust side.
So the first problem was the valve clearance.
No, the carburetor was a little bit dirty, but that shouldn't be the problem. I think it was valve clearance all along, because it was starting pour and pour and pour, and then finally it didn't start at all.
Because the valve clearance is too low, it didn't suck.
No clearance at all. It had no clearance at all. It was, I think it was the valve was a little bit open, so it doesn't create a full vacuum.
Piston should go down and suck vacuum.
Yeah, and then when the valve is open, it's sucking from the outside.
So that was the first problem, and the second problem was the loose connection.
Yeah, but the loose connection was maybe from checking why it wouldn't start. So I was fucking with it on the street, so I didn't worry too much about that one. Anyway, we need to change the inlet manifold.
Yeah, it's cracked. But
It's cracked. That's not the problem. It's not cracked through. And the vacuum valve for the
That's right.
gasoline, because that's not closing up. Okay, so part 2 of the scooter misery, moped, whatever you. We found out that the intake manifold was almost torn and the fuel hose was leaking, so we got a new fuel
gauge thing?
yeah, fuel gauge, that's no, I don't know, fuel thingy, and a new manifold. It's kind of peculiar because I was suggested to buy a gasket. Already has an O-ring as a gasket, so kind of strange. And this original doesn't use extra gasket. And some clips for the fuel line. I ordered together with the parts.
What did it cost?
30 euros, 27 something, including shipping. So we're gonna take out the manifold, install the new manifold, check for working, then check out the fuel and remove the fuel stop. Vacuum,
And that's it for today.
and then put it back together and it's done.